Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm excited to try out a brand that I'm not familiar with. It's called SAINT LUXE and I got the Lip Liner Duo in my November 2022 Boxycharm Premium Box, which I have that unboxing video now up here on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen it yet. But this duo retails for $30, which I feel like is a little bit more on the pricey end. And I got this in the shades Morganite and Carnelian, which, seeing them together, the brown and the red, was kind of a random duo. Like, I can't really see myself using these two together, and they're just not really shades that in general I use in lip liners. I prefer lip liners that are closer to my natural lip color, so then I can do a little overlining, wear it with lip gloss. That's my go-to type of lip look. But we're going to put these to the test. So first I'll do some swatches. Oh, and they're also the type that you have to sharpen, which I prefer a twist up lip liner. But okay, first I'm going to swatch the shade Morganite. It is a nice gel glide-on feel, and it is just like exactly what I would expect. This kind of tan brown shade, which really does not look good on me. And then the red. Ooh, a very bright red, and the red is called Carnelian. Here are those swatches. I mean, the formula seems nice from the swatches, just two of probably my least flattering lip shades. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on my lips, but really I'm like, I don't even know which shade to apply because I don't think they're gonna look very good on me. But first I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the brown one, Morganite, to line my lips. It does, like, it applies nicely, glides on, doesn't tug. It has full pigment. But gosh, it's like, I am always open to trying out shades like this, like a brown shade, because I think it's pretty, I think it looks good on other people. And then I put it on myself and I feel like it looks even worse than I think it's going to look. But so, also I want to see if these smudge. Oh, that is awful. I barely touched it and it like completely smudged off. That is not something I want to see in my lip liners. I want it to not budge, and this has absolutely no staying power. Yikes. Okay, but now I'm dedicated to trying these out in this video. So picking up the Carnelian, which these names are like, I can't remember the name. I have to keep looking and reading it, and that's kind of annoying too. But okay, let's see how it is over my chapped dry lips when I use this to fill in my lips. I mean, it's easy to apply and fill in my lips with it because it's so soft. And it's not clinging to the dry patches on my lips, which is nice. It looks very smooth, opaque, even. But oh my gosh, it's so creamy how I was just able to rub my lips together and pretty much completely already fill in my top lip here. The red on top of the brown kind of looks decent because it almost like makes it a little bit darker on the edge, which I kind of like. But yeah, like I feel like there's gonna be so much transfer too. Oh my gosh, that is so much transfer. I cannot believe how much these do not stay in place. I feel like that's one really good thing about a lip liner is it's gonna stay in place, it's not gonna budge. If you use it all over your lips, it can be a nice long-lasting lip color, but not these ones. They are just very gel, creamy, which is nice for applying, but not nice for smudging and how long-lasting it's gonna be. And like this red, it's nice. I just am not going to get much use out of it, especially with all this transfer. So clearly I'm not too impressed by these, but I would still be open to trying out more from this brand, but I'm less excited about it now after this experience. However, if you have tried any Saint Luxe products, let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.